guys, kakatapos ko lang ng aking afternoon shift. As you can see, yung ating talagang pantulog, no? Ang dami talagang buhol-buhol. This is from the blanket. So, kasabay niya kasi yung blanket na nilabahan. So, naging ganito na tuloy siya. But let's try to remove it on our next washing. Anyway, magju-juice tayo, guys. Kasi, nakita nyo naman, few days ago, bumili tayo ng mga fruits. So, gagamitin na natin ngayon while very fresh pa yung ating mga fruits. Fresh celery and the old one. And ayan, naka-slice na yung ating mga fruits. I'll show you. Kunin mo na natin. This is the old one, guys. Ha? Naku, anong duha? So which one gani? This one looks fresher than the other one. That's the fruits. I'll just have the apple and maybe a little bit of lemon and the celery.
눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 계속 레인 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는
Very, very fresh. Ang sarap ng combination nitong ating first juice.
어디든 갈 걸 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 우린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 내일 있으면 또 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 이제부터 좀 달라질 거야 Maybe I don't know 처음부터 알고 있던 거야 I feel it 풍선을 타고 난 날아
Very green. That's my green juice. Na sinasabi ni Michelle na very yucky daw. Very yucky talaga. Alright. That's healthy, girl. Perfect. Galing sila sa kape, no? Ganun siya, messy man siya. Not necessarily super messy, but Guys, bumili ako ng Slurpee. Doritos. Huh? That's raspberry.
Okay, flavoring mo.
Grapes. Mmm.
Where you may not believe this, but I used to rock. I feel like I'm 19 years old.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore.
Kami biyo daw ni.
Looking for something to change thoughts into motion.
Hello!
Bagong ka na, sir.
Too long.
Tara!
Waiting just for somebody to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
Midnight tripping.
It's all been a waste of time.
Sister Lyle.
Sister Lyle.
Cut. If you can't be by yourself.
Up little bunny.
I've got my problems. Lately I've been fading out. Holding out. Waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop work is life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing what...
Hi guys, good evening. Oh my God. Grabe talaga yung ating tripping. Yung tripping natin kahapon talaga nag-overnight stay tayo kina Danica at saka kina Laili. So ang nangyari tuloy, akala ko talaga may kasabay ako na mag-work today. Wala pala, sila palang lahat. Si Michelle night shift. Tapos the rest of them day off na nila. So ako lang yung duty, and then yun nga, sobrang pagod ko talaga, and ang busy natin today, but I'm very glad. Grabe, nakalutang talaga ako initially sa work, pero yes, yun nga, na-survive natin. And nakakatuwa din naman kasi yung ginawa namin yesterday was so fun. Like, dami talagang chika nangyari, tapos kainan. Today, yung goal ko na lang is kumain because I'm very sleepy. Wala talaga akong ganang kumain, pero I really have to eat. So, meron tayong chicken dyan. I'm gonna eat very quickly, guys. And then after nito, I'm gonna edit kasi it's been a long time na hindi tayo nag-upload because I have been very busy. This week, hindi ko alam if na-chika ko na to. This week, I'm doing 7 days. I still have 2 more. And, ayan, struggle na talaga ako sa 7 days. But I don't wanna call in sick. Kakayanin natin to. Kakayanin talaga natin to. pink ba yan itong friend, uy?
Wednesday biya gahapon ha. Wednesday is pink day. You can't sit with us naman dito sa ED, ma'am.
Sorry, sino? Nagkailan na kayo, dito siya nagkuhan sa South Gen.
Ikaw may mid-take na ko.
Hello guys! Kakatapos nating mag-nap. Very fresh tayo, di ba? Fresh na fresh from a nap. Nag-morning shift pala tayo, guys. So, meron lang akong gustong i-answer na question, guys. I've read a comment asking about kumusta na daw yung bahay ko sa New Zealand. Tapos, fair enough, it's been like almost 2 years. Hindi na tayo nakauwi doon. Hindi ko na talaga siya nakita. And I don't think if uuwi ako sa New Zealand, I can even enter the house. So, actually, nakakamiss siya. Ang daming mga moments talaga dito sa ating travel nursing na parang namimiss ko yung comfort of my own home. Pero, yun guys, for everyone na medyo curious kung anong ginawa ko sa bahay ko now that I moved here in Australia, pinarentahan ko siya. I think I answered this question already before. Hindi ko na maalala. I think last year kasi madaming nag-a-ask. Yun, pinaparentahan ko siya as of this stage. Wala din akong planong ibenta siya. Wala muna talaga akong planong ibenta siya. Kasi yung market naman sa New Zealand, real estate market doon, hindi naman siya masyadong maganda. So, I don't think it's smart. So, gusto ko lang siyang i-keep talaga as long as possible until the moment na, you know, maging okay yung ating profit. But as of now, I'm very happy naman. Okay naman kasi yung renta niya. Like, last December, nag-increase din yung renta kasi grabe na talaga, ang mahal na pala talaga ng bahay sa or renta sa New Zealand. So nag-increase siya last year, which I am so happy. Ayun, pinagkakakitaan ko siya. Although namimiss ko talaga siya, gusto ko siyang tirhan ulit. Pero happy naman ako sa nangyari sa kanya. So there was no regrets guys na bumili ako ng bahay kasi mayroon din mga nagko-comment before ako nung nag-move ako dito at nagsabi ako sa inyo na I'm definitely gonna settle down here in Australia. Maraming nagko-comment na nagbili-bili ka pa ng bahay, ganun-ganun. No, it's actually a very good investment. Para sa akin ha, it's a good investment and I'm very happy na ginawa ko siya. Yeah, there's no regrets at all na bumili ako ng bahay sa New Zealand kasi kumikita siya ngayon. So, ayun lang. Hopefully this year, makauwi kami ng New Zealand kasi yun nga, 2 years na. Actually, meron kaming sinabihan last year na uuwi sana kami. Pero nag-change yung plans natin, guys. Pumunta tayo ng Thailand at saka Thailand at saka Vietnam tuloy instead of New Zealand. So, yung mga namin, kasama namin doon, nasabihan na namin pero hindi nga kami natuloy. Pero hopefully talaga this year, matuloy na kami. Actually, meron na kami mga planned na dates. Pero hindi ko na lang sasabihin kasi baka mangyari na naman yung previous na parang nagsabi na kami sa mga friends namin doon tapos hindi pala natuloy. Fingers crossed guys, in a few months time, mauwi na tayo sa New Zealand kasi actually, nakakamiss din talaga yung New Zealand talaga. In all honesty, I feel like if ever okay lang talaga yung condition ng work doon, okay lang yung kita namin. I think okay naman yung kita na ngayon ng mga nurses doon. Pero yung condition lang talaga ng work at kung hindi kami stress sa aming vacation leave at that time ng aming manager, I don't think I will leave New Zealand last year. I think I will stay even longer. So, ayun. Nakakamiss siya. So, hopefully talaga makauwi tayo ulit. So, if ever meron kayong mga questions, if ever same tayo ng situation, if ever gusto nyo mag-travel nurse sa Australia, and meron kayong iiwan doon ng mga properties sa New Zealand, and gusto nyo kung paano ko siya ginawa, sinong nagmamanage, just let me know. I'll answer your questions. So, ayun lang naman. Yun lang yung chika natin today.